Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Remember, this is just my personal experience with the platform, so your mileage may vary. In this video, we're taking a look at Volusion, an e-commerce platform found at volusion.com. Volusion provides a suite of tools to help businesses build and manage their online stores. They offer features designed to streamline the entire process, from setting up your initial storefront to processing orders and managing inventory. Volusion aims to simplify the often complex world of e-commerce. Their platform offers a user-friendly interface, making it accessible even to those without extensive technical expertise. They provide a range of built-in features, including website design templates, secure payment processing options, and marketing tools to help you attract customers. This integrated approach can be particularly beneficial for small to medium-sized businesses looking to establish an online presence without needing to piece together various disparate services. Volusion handles many of the technical aspects, allowing you to focus on building your brand and growing your business. One of the key aspects of Volusion is its focus on providing a comprehensive solution. They offer features for everything from managing product listings and customer data to tracking sales and analyzing performance. This all-in-one approach can simplify operations and provide a centralized hub for managing your online business. Furthermore, Volusion provides support and resources to help users navigate the platform and troubleshoot any issues that may arise. This can be particularly helpful for newcomers to the world of e-commerce. While exploring Volusion, it's worth considering how their features align with your specific business needs. Think about your product catalog, target audience, and desired level of control over your online store. Researching different e-commerce platforms and comparing their offerings can help you make an informed decision about which solution is the best fit for your unique requirements. Remember to check the pricing plans and ensure they align with your budget and expected growth.